Hello friends, welcome to my class. Now I am going to explain proof of projection of vectors. Okay, that we are going to see. So there are two diagrams are there. From that we can simply understand how the vector can be projected along the another vector's direction. Okay, here so there are x comma y axis are there, and there is a bar is a vector and b bar is a vector, and this vector is projected along the direction of the b bar vector, along the direction of the b bar vector. Okay, how can we understand? And this normal line indicates the a vector is projecting along the direction of the b vector. In that case, the magnitude of the a vector is a cos theta. Okay, na? And in another direction, in one more direction also, this is a sin theta, and in this direction, okay, na, the vector is resolved. The vector is resolved. So here we are going to see dot product of the vector, so that we have to consider, okay, the horizontal component, that we know that, okay, a bar dot b bar is equals to ab cos theta. So this is how we can simply understand the vector can be projected. In that case we can simply understand a bar dot b bar is equals to ab cos theta. In that we can simply understand a cos theta into b. Okay, this is a component of a bar vector along the direction of the b bar vector, along the direction of the b bar vectors. This is how we can simply understand the projection of the vector. From this we can simply write it as cos theta is equals to what? A bar dot b bar by ab. Yes. From this we can simply write it as cos theta is equals to a bar dot b bar by ab. Let us consider equation 1 this. Now here come to this point. It is also same. Okay, this vector is projected along the direction of the b bar. In that case, a cos theta nothing but a scalar quantity, and mod a bar also nothing but scalar quantity. It is magnitude, it is also magnitudes. Okay, in that case, and there is a theta. Okay, and this is what? Horizontal component. Okay, if you write the cos theta here, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse, so that we have to take the magnitude only. So this side by this side and this side. So here only we have to take magnitude. Okay, we should not cancel it. Okay, we are going to prove that the projection of vector. Okay, projection of vector. Now this is, let us equation 2. From 192 we can simply write here cos theta is equals to a bar dot b bar by ab. Cos theta is equals to mod a bar by mod a bar. So from that we can write a bar dot, or we can write it as a bar mod a bar by mod a bar equal to this one, a bar dot b bar by ab. Okay, right, and this is what? Magnitude, and this is what also? Magnitude. Gets cancelled simply, and a bar mod a bar equal to a bar dot b bar by b. Okay, so this is how we can simply understand only magnitude. This is only magnitude, right? So if we see the a vector A is projecting along the direction of the vector B, so that it is having some in the vectors, that is what? B cap vector. Okay, B cap vector. So from that we can simply write it as, we know that unit vector, that is what? That is b cap is equals to b bar by b, or mod b. Okay, mod b bar from that. So if you write this is b bar, mod b bar is equals to what? Okay, that is b bar by b cap, b bar by b cap. So in the same way we can write it as, this is what? A bar. Now I am multiplying here, here I am multiplying mod A bar into A cap is equals to into B cap is equals to A bar dot B bar by B, that we can write it as, okay, mod B bar and B cap. Okay, so if if it is B cap is cancelled, same answer will come. And next, this is what? Scalar quantity is multiplying by the unit vector gives what? Vector A bar, and this is A bar dot B bar by B, and this is what? B cap. So B cap nothing but what? B bar by this, we can write it as B bar by B. Okay, B bar by B. From that we can write it as A bar is equals to A bar dot B bar by, this is what? B into B, that is B square into B bar. Okay, once you see projection of A vector along the direction of the B vector, that is what? A bar dot B bar by B square. Okay, these B bar indicates whatever the vector A is projected in that direction, So already we know that we know general equation, that is projection of vector, that is A cos theta. From this we can write it as A cos theta is equals to A bar dot B bar by B, Yes, this is a component of A vector along the direction of the B vector, and this one is same. So here there is a clear cut evidence whatever the A vector is projected along the direction of the B vectors. So this equation we can write it as A bar at B bar is equals to A bar dot B bar by, this is it, mod B bar square into, yes. Okay, so this is how we can simply understand the projection of vector, and already we have proved that. Okay, thank you.